Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Are you missing important emails but your mails notification are not showing up on your iPhone? Whether it's a recent issue after an update or just something that's been bugging you for a while, don't worry. In today's video, I'll walk you through 5 quick fixes to get your email notification working again. Let's dive right into it. Solution 1. Check notification settings. The first thing you want to do, you make sure your notifications are enabled. Here's how. Go to Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Then scroll down and tap on Mail. Make sure Allow Notifications is turned on and ensure that alerts are enabled for lock screen, notification center and banners. Solution 2. Check Fetch New Data Settings. If notifications are still not showing, your fetch settings may be culprit. Here how to fix it. Go to Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Now again scroll down and tap on Mail. Then tap on Mail Accounts. Tap Fetch New Data. Make sure Push is turned on for accounts that support it. If Push isn't available, make sure Fetch is set to your preferred schedule. Solution 3. Ensure Do Not Disturb is off. It's easy to forget Do Not Disturb is on, which will block notifications. Here how to check. Swipe down from the top right corner to open a quick settings panel. Tap on focus icon in the middle of screen. Make sure that Do Not Disturb is not turned on. Solution 4. Re-add your email account. If the issue is persist, there could be a problem with your email account itself. Here how to re-add it. Open the Settings app. Scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Again scroll down and tap on Mail. Then tap on Mail Accounts. Tap on the account that's having issue and select Delete Account. Now go back and tap on Add Account. This can resolve issues with syncing and notifications. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.